Hi, welcome to Always Eclectic Stacy. This is Always Eclectic Chemistry, and today we're talking about metallic bonds. Okay, let's bond. Hi, and welcome to Always Eclectic Stacy. Today we're talking about metallic bonds, what they are, how they're formed, and some of the unique features of even metallic bonds. So metallic bonds are only bonds between metals, and they do form lattices in solid states, although they are not ionically bonded. They have something called the electron C model, where all metal atoms of a metallic solid contribute to their valence electrons to form a sea of electrons. Basically, the C flows through the metallic bond, so it's switching from positive to negative. So at any one time, it will be positive or negative, and that's what holds it together. And these electrons flow freely, and they're called delocalized electrons. Metallic cations are created when these delocalized electrons move from one atom to the next, and all the ions are bonded through this electron C model. I'm going to show you a quick little video now that's going to help you visualize what it kind of looks like. It's not the perfect, but I really want you to think of these particles as a C kind of flowing through a metallic bond. Okay, now that you kind of visualize that electron C model, let's talk about metallic bonds. It's the attraction of metallic cations or the localized electrons. And this specific bond does explain really well the different properties of metals. They have a wide variety of melting points because it's going to depend on how many delocalized electrons there are. They're very malleable, which means they can be hammered into sheets, which is why can do so much with metal, and they're ductile, which can be pulled into wire, which is why we use metal for so many things. It's very durable. Just think about all of the cool relics we have from long ago, like the Bronze and the Iron Age. We can still have that metal because it lasts. They conduct amazing electricity, and the delocalized electrons are free to move, which keeps the metallic bond intact. And as the number of delocalized electrons increase, so do the properties of hardness and strength. So the more electrons, the more stronger and harder the bond is. And that means that it's going to take longer to melt, and it's going to be harder to bend into shapes, but also means it's going to last longer. Metal Metals and metallic bonds often get put into alloys. And an alloy is a mixture of elements that have metallic properties. And the different properties is that it's source element. So if you have a lot of iron and just a little bit of something else, it's going to have more iron properties than something else. And this is most commonly formed when the elements involved are similar in size or the atoms of elements are considerably smaller. So you're going to have one big and one small, or about the same size to make a good alloy. And that is a mixture of metals. Thank you so much for learning about metallic bonds and metals with me today. This was Always Eclectic Stacy. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and have a great day.